What's up guys, it's Mel back with another video. This video is about my May meal planning for the month. So if you guys are interested in videos like this where it helps you plan your meals for the month and also save you money, then stay tuned. So in the month of April, I started with my fiance and we started to meal plan for the whole month so that we could see exactly what we'd be eating, and also it kind of helped us to plan meals and also save us money when we're shopping for food. So I can show you guys in another video, which I typically do, of our food budget for the month, which is about $360. Last month we actually saved money, and it's all because that we decided to meal plan for the month. So I'm going to use these two colors for May, the darker one and then the lighter one to say we're going to eat like leftovers and stuff like that. So to start off, we're going to start with May 1st, and my fiance is going to make a 4-bean and nachos, and I'm trying to get him to cook more healthier stuff, so I probably won't be eating the 4 beans and nachos because it's not a healthy meal in my opinion, but I will do the oven roasted corn on the cob. And I'm hoping to have, for me, I'll probably have a salad, but here we're gonna eat leftovers. So this arrow, actually I think I'm going to change this color, let's see, to a lighter color because it doesn't really show up on the screen. So let's do a purple, actually let's do this, a purple and this kind of like magenta color. So then the next thing is on the 3rd, we're going to have a chicken pot pie. And Mike usually makes this, and that's usually from scratch. So that's perfect. And these pens I'm using is the Papermate Flare fine tip pens, and they're really nice. They come in a lot of variety of colors, and this just happens to be all the colors that I have, plus my favorite Pilot pen too in there. So the 5th, we're going to do sauteed vegetables with rice. And then the 6th will be Mexican. All these kind of weird vegetable ones is Mexican stuffed sweet potato. And again, that will be a 2-day. And then here is going to be a homemade 4-cheese pizza. And that's also going to be a 2-day. So these arrows just mean leftovers. So then on the 10th is like P.F. Chang, and we make these from scratch, P.F. Chang tofu wraps. And that's also going to be a 2-day, so we'll go like that. Turkey meatballs. And I don't eat my turkey like that, but it's really just turkey and spaghetti. It's like a spaghetti and meatball. Spaghetti. And that's also going to leave us for leftovers. Then poached pear salad. And then on the 15th, we're doing baked chicken and vegetables. And we're also going to eat leftovers there. The 17th, we're going to do veggie quesadillas. And with Mexican black beans. And this is a 2-day thing, so that's why I'm doing that. And then on the 19th, we're doing orange chicken. And this if you guys have ever had, it's actually not chicken, it's like a meatless vegetarian. Sometimes I just feel for vegetables. I just feel for like non-meat tasting meatless products, so that's good. If you guys have ever had the garden, it's really, really good. So then minestrone soup on the 21st, and then turkey burgers on the 22nd. And again, if you guys plan correctly, like, there are actually not that many meals, and I can show you, you know, because a lot of the times we're eating leftovers, so we tend to cook a little bit more, and then you have a little bit extra for the next day. So this is going to be on the 24th. It's going to be steak with roasted vegetables. And again, it's going to be leftovers. The 26th is Thai rice noodle salad. And then this is just going to be a generic salad. This is going to be a garbanzo bean stir fry and garlic parm. And then on the 30th, we're gonna do Mongolian here. So a lot of steak, but Mongolian beef, roasted potatoes, vegetables, and sweet potato. And then on the 30th, again, this will wrap to here. So that is pretty much it, guys. Like, it's not difficult to put together a meal plan. And in this month, actually, Mike is focusing on cooking more meals without meat in it. So a lot of these weird, like, Mexican stuff, sweet potato, and a lot of these other ones is actually him cooking. So I'm pretty generic. I like stuff that are typically consistent. Like, I make the turkey and spaghetti. Typically the baked chicken is me. This is steak with roasted potatoes. Everything else for the most part, oh, and this is me as well, the orange chicken vegetables and the normal salads. So this month we're kind of like trying to focus more on vegetables and just to see where we end up for the month. But if you guys plan your meals, you can say what you have to purchase throughout the month. And we typically buy groceries every single week, and that's because we parse out our monthly budget of $360 for groceries weekly. And by doing that, we're able to determine per week what vegetables, meats, etc. that we need for each of the weeks. And then we plan our grocery list based on the meals that are on the menu for that week. So if you guys want to see how in depth we get as far as organizing it, I could definitely do a video about that. Just comment down below if you guys are interested in seeing how we plan our groceries based on our weekly or monthly meal plan. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one. All right, bye guys.